System overview and setup. The award-winning Hydrofacial system advances skin health by merging invigorating spa therapies with advanced medical technology. The Hydrofacial system comes with a universal tool holder, a Hydrofacial handpiece and tubing, 2 sets of red and blue LED lights, facial and body lymphatic drainage handpieces with tubing for single or dual application, a waste container, a puncture tool to open your treatment serums, a cleaning brush to clean your handpiece, 5 cleaning caps. The items listed above may vary depending on the year, model, and country of purchase. Let's review the system components in more detail. The waste container captures all used products and waste from the treatment through the port on the back of the system. Attach the waste container to the lid and secure the clamps, ensuring a tight fit. Insert the tube on the lid into the waste container port on the back of the system. During the treatment, if you aren't getting vacuum pressure in your handpiece, remove the waste container from the lid and reattach, making sure it is securely locked into place with a tight seal. The contents of the waste container should be discarded after every treatment. If the waste container becomes overfull, a built-in float will occlude the vacuum opening and the treatment will stop. The accessory rail holds products and treatment components in place using tool holders. To attach the handpiece tool holder, loosen the thumb screws and attach it top first to the accessory rail. Tighten the thumb screws to lock the tool holder in place. The tool holder has a large opening for the handpiece, a small opening for the gray cartridge to be placed when it is not in use, and openings for 6 vials. It is also designed to hold the single-use blue, teal, and clear tips during treatment. The ergonomically designed, dual-functioning handpiece gives you control over serum type and flow, enabling you to tailor the treatment to different skin types and concerns. The flow valve on the handpiece allows you to adjust the rate of flow during the treatment. Turn the flow control valve toward the plus to increase the serum flow or to the minus to decrease. The ideal location is generally a 40% opening. Before removing the gray cartridge from the handpiece, turn it from the locked to unlocked position. Do not pull the cartridge out during the rotation or it may break. As you insert the cartridge back into the handpiece, rotate it from the unlocked to the locked position. Connect the blue return line to the blue connector on the bottom of the handpiece and secure by twisting finger tight. Next, connect the clear supply line to the gray cartridge and secure by twisting it into place for product flow to the handpiece. Rest the handpiece in the tool holder with the blue facing out. Plug the supply line with the black rim into the white coupling fitting on the side of the manifold, and the return line with 2 blue rims to the waste container lid. This allows the used serums to flow into the waste container. Hook the additional tubing to the tool holder to prevent it from dragging on the floor. When applying the handpiece to the skin, hold it low and light, placing your index finger over the oval indentation and holding it like you would a pencil. This gives you optimal control and helps provide a gentle application. If you experience low vacuum pressure, check the supply and return lines to make sure they are securely fastened and that there are no kinks or air leaks. Mechanical lymphatic drainage may help to detoxify the skin by removing unwanted buildup to optimize skin health. The Hydrofacial comes with 1 small glass lymphatic cup designed for the face and smaller areas on the body, and 2 large glass cups, ideal for larger areas. Attach the lymphatic tool holder to the accessory rail behind the handpiece tool holder by loosening the thumb screws and attaching it top first to the accessory rail. Tighten the thumb screws to lock in place. The tool holder has openings for the large and small lymphatic cups. The single cup tubing is used when you are performing lymphatic therapy with 1 cup. It also comes with split cup tubing when you are using more than 1 at a time. Use the single cup tubing, press down on the metal clip on the coupling, and insert into the port on the side of the machine. Connect the plastic coupling to the small lymphatic handpiece, place in the tool holder, and loop the tubing to the hook. Place the large handpieces in the tool holder. The system comes with red and blue LED lights. They are lightweight, portable, and cordless. The red lights contain 2 sets of 12 LEDs. The first set emits light with a wavelength of 620 to 630 nanometers. The second set emits light with a wavelength of 800 to 900 nanometers. The red LED lights have been shown to reduce the appearance of redness and decrease signs of aging, and the blue LED lights to target P. acnes bacteria and improve the appearance of oily or congested skin. You can use 2 lights at one time, including the option of using both a red and blue light simultaneously. Both the red and blue LED lights contain touch sensors. To turn on the lights, place your hand over the handpiece and hold it like you would a mouse. This will activate the sensors and turn on the lights. The lights will turn off when you lose contact with the handpiece sensors. Attach the LED light tool holders to the accessory rail on the other side of the system by loosening the thumb screws and attaching them top first to the accessory rail. Tighten the thumb screws to lock them in place. Attach the LED USB charging cables into the LED handpieces. Place in the holder and plug into the USB chargers on the side of the system. The LED lights should always be plugged in so they are charging anytime the machine is turned on. Flashing lights indicate that the LEDs are charging. Select the lights you will be using, disconnect from the charger, and begin. The LEDs will not operate when plugged into the charging cord. Attach the skin imaging camera tool holder to the back accessory rail with the arrows facing the machine and tighten into place. Hook the camera into the tool holder with the red button facing out and attach the connector to the circular port and twist lock it into place. The camera foot pedal attaches to the USB port and allows you to activate the camera with a tap of your foot. To use the camera, press the camera button on the home page. Identify if the client is new or already in the system. If the client is new, enter their profile information and take up to 6 photos using the red button on the camera, the foot pedal, or the capture button on the screen. To view photos that have already been captured, or to take pictures on an existing client, select Member, find their name, and press Photo Capture to take new photos, or Past Photos to view photos that were already taken. The system will store up to 3 series of photos. Up to 6 photos can be taken in each series. It will always keep the original set, the current set, and the set from the previous visit. You can compare photos by dragging them into the large boxes on the screen. Once the photos are in the large box, they can be moved, expanded, and adjusted using the touchscreen. This gives you the opportunity to show your client changes to their skin from their original visit. The photos are accessible on the system, but they cannot be moved from the system to a computer or other imaging equipment. Each shipment comes with a puncture tool to pierce and seal the treatment bottles, and a cleaning brush to clean the handpiece. Thread the cleaning brush through the rope of the puncture tool and secure it to the accessory rail at the back of the system. This will keep them from getting lost or misplaced. The manifold buttons hold the treatment bottles in place, and the toggle switches turn the solutions on or off during the treatment. Wear gloves while inserting the serums into the manifold so there is no cross-contamination. Start by removing the blue cap and puncture the foil seal of the Active 4 using the puncture tool. Twist in a circular motion to expand the opening, allowing for maximum serum draw. Guide the first blue straw into the serum bottle. Push the dowel rod in and insert the Active 4. Release the dowel rod when it is in place. Continue this process with the Beta HD, Antiox Plus, and rinse away. Consider keeping the blue tops of the solutions in case you need to remove it from the machine and store. All of the products will last approximately 2 months after they have been opened. Prepare the handpiece tool holder with 2 Glycol vials and 1 Dermabuilder, Brightenol, and CTGF booster. Align the single-use blue, teal, and clear tips in their designated spots. The treatment uses a series of hydro tips. The single-use tips have a unique spiral design. When used in conjunction with the Hydrofacial proprietary vacuum technology and serums, it creates a vortex effect. This allows for unparalleled, non-invasive skin resurfacing and temporary pore opening to effectively cleanse, exfoliate, and extract impurities evenly, while simultaneously hydrating and delivering proprietary serums to the skin. It was meticulously designed with patented spirals and colors to differentiate between each step of the treatment and to deliver the most effective results. The blue tip is for exfoliation, the teal tip is used for extractions, and the clear tip delivers vortex fusion, allowing for maximum penetration of treatment serums. Additional tips are available, including an orange tip for aggressive exfoliation and a body tip for larger areas outside of the face. Do not use the orange tip on sensitive, thin skin or broken capillaries. It is ideal for thick skin that requires aggressive exfoliation. Each tip is single-use to ensure no cross-contamination and recyclable. The cleaning cap on the handpiece is reusable. It should always be on the handpiece during a cleaning or when it is not in use. You will receive 5 cleaning caps with the purchase of your system. If one cracks, discard the cap and replace with a new one. We recommend using the default vacuum settings on the device. However, you have the ability to adjust the vacuum settings at any time during the treatment. If you have a client with sensitive or thinner skin, you may consider lowering the pressure. If your client has normal to thicker skin, you may decide to increase vacuum pressure. To turn on the system, connect the power cord to the power entry module at the back of the system and connect the plug to a grounded wall outlet. Press the On button next to the power entry module to begin. The system touchscreen can be tilted up or down. The home screen gives you a menu of services including treatment protocols, product overview, advanced modalities, access to camera, system cleaning, and training videos. The toolbar at the top allows you to adjust the system volume and settings. From the home screen, choose Protocols to select your preferred hydrofacial treatment. The Daily Essentials button gives you a list of hydrofacial products that complement the treatment, along with an overview of their performing ingredients and benefits. Click on Modalities to perform LED or lymphatic therapy. From the home page, the Camera button will let you capture or review client photos. The System Cleaning option will guide you on how to manually clean your system. There are also promotional and training videos built into the interface. To put the system in standby mode, press the Standby button below the touchscreen. This will shut down the screen, but not the system. In summary, the easy-to-use touchscreen assists you in all aspects from performing treatments to educating your staff and your clients and demonstrating their evolution in skin health. In summary, the Hydrofacial system is a state-of-the-art system that delivers stunning results with an attractive user interface. Thank you for partnering with us at Hydrofacial. We look forward to supporting you with your ongoing success.